You're going to hear yourself on YouTube right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna like.
Are you gonna play my own?
Yeah.
That's an Inception.
Sorry about the bad lighting, but you got a pretty nice angle here.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
So we're in an apartment today. These guys are flooding out. So we're gonna be snaking out this clean out with the Milwaukee 7/8 cable. We're gonna go 150 feet. Hopefully the drain doesn't back up on us. Right? Right.
Can we talk?
Can you talk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry, you're ruining your video.
How are you gonna know you're on YouTube if you watch it and you don't hear yourself?
Guys,
you just-
9.5K subscribers.
Yeah.
I'll subscribe to you right now.
I appreciate that.
I really love these kind of videos.
What's that?
I really love these kind of videos.
Yeah?
You know the guy that like when there's raining, the water gets collected on the road, and then he clogs the drain.
Post 10?
Like I don't know. I think it's that like he's the most famous. I really was.
Yeah, that's post 10.
Yeah, it's really satisfying.
Yeah, I actually do some of those myself, like parking lot drains. Just watch your feet and your clothes on the cables, okay?
Do you need anything?
No.
Just call us if you need anything.
No problem. What's your name?
Ishan.
Ishan?
Harshan.
Ishan and
Harshan.
Hashan.
Yeah.
Ishan, Hashan.
Yeah.
Is that right? That's not right, is it?
No, it's Harshan.
Hashan.
Yeah, it's like that.
How do you spell it?
Harshin.
H-E-R?
Shin.
S-E. Hershan.
No, you can call me Jake.
Jake?
Yeah.
Yeah, no shit, Jake.
Hershan.
Made that name.
Yeah, Harshan.
Hershan.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah,
Hershan?
is that it?
You sure?
Yeah.
It's a bit weird.
It's good.
I'm saying it wrong, ain't it?
No, it's like that. Harshan.
Hershan.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's right. It's right.
And his name was
Ishan.
Ishan?
Ishan. Yeah.
Hershan.
Yeah. No.
No? I'm
It's a
sorry.
little different.
I'm sorry. I apologize. Jake?
Yeah, it's good. Because all the people who can't pronounce the name, I tell them to call me Jake.
Sorry.
So in college, half the people know me by name Harshan and rest of them know me by name Jake.
Hershan.
Yeah. No,
Harshan.
Harshan.
Hershan.
It starts with an H.
Hershan.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah,
You're
it's
getting
right.
there. You're getting there.
It's a difficult name.
I don't have the tongue yet. Okay. So we're definitely hitting a blockage there. Alright, that's 75 feet. Got another 75 to go. And then we'll start running the water while we're pulling it back. Alright, that's 150 feet. We're going to start running some hot water, make sure it doesn't back up, and then we'll pull it out. Here it goes. Alright. That's 75 feet out, another 75 to go. $12:42 in the morning, this AM. Alright, now we're going to do this clean out back up. Alright. is getting hot, so we're gonna have to. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Jay, that Drain Guy, signing out. Until next time, Trogna.